Guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone look like a Samsung. Maybe just for bragging, right? Or maybe you were using Samsung before and you actually miss your Samsung because you're using an iPhone now. Or maybe you've never used Samsung before and you want to see what the feature looks like. Or maybe just for fun, or just to prank your friends, any of the above. So I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone look like a Samsung in this video. So sit down and watch this video to the end to learn how to do that. And also don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Thank you.
Go to your browser, then type trygalaxy.ng. Then you just wait for it to load. When it loads, you're going to see something like this. You just tap on the save icon button. When you tap on the save icon button, it would ask you where you want to save it. So when it brings out the option, you just click on add to home screen. When you click on it, it will bring out this, click on add. When you click on add, it will be added to your home screen. So anytime you want to use it, you just need to click on that Galaxy app, or Try Galaxy. Yeah, you just have to click on it, open Try Galaxy. When you click on it, this is what will show. Okay, so because this is the first time I'm setting it up, it is showing me all the options and all the things I can see and how I can operate it and all of that. So if this is your first time trying it out, so you're going to see all of this. So yeah, this is that's the home screen. So you can click on settings. Yeah, this is what you would see when you click on settings. You can click on the photo, you can click on so many things there. It is actually looking like a real Samsung phone until you minimize it and you take it away from there. If your friend also using what's it called, iPhone, tries the app, then the both of you can do that Samsung HD filter, or how do I call it, where you have one object moving from one Samsung to the other Samsung when you put your two iPhones together. So because it is just my phone I am using, I don't have any other iPhone around me now, I can't do that feature and show you, but you can try it with your friends to see that it actually works. Yeah, I just got a message like my phone was actually Samsung.
So that is how to make your iPhone look like a Samsung phone. And just for the fun, I don't know, or just to prank your friends. I'll be trying to prank my friends with this, and I know they'll be surprised because they'll be like, wait, this is an iPhone, this is your 14 Pro. Why is it looking like Samsung? Is it a fake or stuff like that? So yeah, so this is how to do that, to also confuse or prank your friends.